Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form elements, and right now we will be discussing about HTML form select option elements again, and how to allow multiple selections in HTML form option elements. Use the multiple attribute to allow the user to select more than one value. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's get back to our document. We are having this in our previous tutorial. As you can see, when we reload, our anwar is highlighted as gray, right? Let's click on John and reload it. Can you see we are selecting John right now? Let's now imagine we want to select this boat. Let's press your control down and click the boat at one. Can you see? Let's reload. Can you see it's only one we are able to select out of the two. Let's even drag it again. Can you see it's only one we are able to select? So now let's get back to our document and do something with this. How many options we are having right here? We are having 6 options, right? Let's just bring out all of the options, which is 6, right? Now let's give it multiple and save our document. Let's go and reload it quickly. Now we have reloaded. As you can see, we are having all these our options, right? Anwar, John, Raymond, as you can see, Adam, Eve, and so on. Now let's select everything at once. Can you see it works? When I click outside of it, can you see all of them are lighted, right? Let's say for instance I want to select only Raymond to Adam. Let's select it and reload. Can you see it's all gray now? Let's select from Eve to John. Can you see it works perfectly? Let's select only Anwar. It also works. Let's select Anwar and John only. Can you see it works? So I want to prove this to you. As a scientist, we don't talk without a proof. So we need to give evidence so that they can also feel it when you are talking. So quickly, let's get back to our code right here. Right here, write your name. In our previous tutorial, I've discussed about this. I can't be saying much about this again now. So let's just quickly create an index.php file and come back here. Right here, just write an input. So here, just place submit. Let's click and come back to our document right here. Now we are having submit button, right? Now let's send all this data. As you can see, we are still selecting our, all of it is having gray right now, right? Let's click send. Let's submit. When we press submit, can you see what we are having right here? We are having Anwar, John, Raymond, William, Adam, and Eve. All of them heading to where? Heading to this PHP file for processing. So this is what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice and perfect, because practice makes perfect. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Until the next